Hello grill enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of portable charcoal grills with a compact powerhouse perfect for camping and outdoor adventures. This mini grill is designed for portability and ease of use, making it an ideal companion for any adventure, whether you're heading to the campsite or setting up a quick barbecue at a tailgate party. Built with thicker steel construction, this tabletop grill promises durability and superior heat distribution, ensuring it stands up to the demands of any outdoor setting. With its advanced ventilation system and integrated thermometer, you'll master the art of charcoal cooking, achieving perfect results every time, whether you're a seasoned chef or just enjoying a weekend cookout. The grill's design simplifies your cooking experience, allowing for a quick setup and convenient cooking, so you can focus on enjoying the moment. Plus, with a 5-year manufacturer warranty, you can grill with confidence, knowing that this little powerhouse is built to last through countless adventures. So, whether you're planning a mangal feast or just a simple barbecue on the go, this portable charcoal grill is your ticket to culinary excellence in the great outdoors. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.